Welcome to the seventh section of PHP tutorials on finder.com. This session explains about date and time manipulations in PHP. In PHP, we have a date function which formats a timestamp to a more readable date and time. The syntax is date, string format, comma timestamp, where format specifies the format of the timestamp and the timestamp specifies the timestamp defaults to the current timestamp or a Unix timestamp. Format can be combination of any valid PHP datetime format options. Some commonly used format characters for date are small d, represents day of month 01 to 31, m represents a month 01 to 12, y represents a year in 4 digits. Remember, a capital Y would represent a year in 4 digits. Other characters like slash and colon can also be inserted to add the additional formatting. Example, today is date double quotes y/m/d. The same date function can also be used for time also. Some of the most commonly used characters to format time values are H represents hour in 12-hour format with leading zeros. I represents minutes with leading 0. S represents seconds with leading zeros. Example, the time is date H colon I colon S. The date function returns the date time of the server. It may be possible that it is not in accordance to the current date time on your local machine or whatever environment or locale you are in. To overcome this, you may want to set the time zone to use. So let's say if your server is in US and you are using the times for IST or Indian time zone, then you can actually set it by using date underscore default underscore time zone underscore set function. The date underscore default underscore time zone underscore set function uses a string and sets the time zone for that particular locale. Create a date from a string. str2time function can be used to convert a human readable string into a Unix timestamp. str2time function time, now. Example, $D is equal to str2time 10:30 p.m. November 12, 1988. Note, it is important to note that str2time behaves unexpectedly with some date formats. Refer to official PHP docs before using str2time in your code. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. We'll continue with our next sessions later.